Hello IELTS students, I am back with another video. I hope you are preparing very well for the IELTS exam. In this video, I am going to give you 29th June IELTS exam prediction. So stay tuned. So let's start with listening section. In the listening section, section 1 would be easy. Section 2 would be easy to moderate. Section 3 would be too hard. So you would be very careful. It would be very hard. And section 4 would be easy. So you can achieve high score in section 1 and section 4 in the listening section. Okay, and overall listening of IELTS exam would be moderate. So students who are willing to achieve high score in the listening section, they can with full concentration. Okay, and let's move to the reading section. In the reading section, passage 1 would be tricky, and it would be very tricky. So make sure you give attention in the timeline. Okay, in the passage 2 it would be easy, so don't need to worry about passage 2. Let's move to passage 3. It would be too hard, and last 5 questions would be very hard, so you should very careful to answer. Okay, and writing task 1. In the writing task 1, there will be possibility of pie chart, table chart, line graph or picture, and it would be very easy. So you can prepare the format of all 4 tasks. Okay, let's move to task 2 of writing section in the IELTS exam. Writing task 2, there is possibility of technology, government and environment. So you can prepare the hook line of these 3 topics, and I have given some ideas in my channel, so you can check it out, those ideas, and you can use in your exam. Okay, so this was the prediction of 29th exam. I hope this video is useful for you. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.